Hello, hello. Okay. So I hope everyone is hearing me very well. I hope you had a great day. Okay. So we have Nasdaq here, not only Nasdaq, but we have gold dropping. Today when I had my breakfast, I opened my laptop and I had a short from this for only 70 points, but it was a good short. I think Nasdaq is very bearish today. Yeah, it's hell of a bearish. It's gonna move to the downside. As today, after I left, as I said, the 4 hour is gonna close inside. The next one is gonna range up here. Yeah, we had a range after that. For now, regarding Nasdaq, only to the downside. I don't see any upside move on Nasdaq today. The main reason why is because as today the Fed in Congress, we had Fed meeting, not Fed meeting, but kind of the new chair of Fed was intervened and asked about the economic situation, and he didn't hesitate to say that the interest rate can go higher if it needs. So basically this is the interest rate. Well, it looks like it's gonna go higher. So if this go higher, Nasdaq is going lower. So yeah, Nasdaq is gonna go lower, probably a lot lower. Tomorrow we should expect a pullback. Probably tomorrow is gonna be a bullish day, or at least a range day, but with a bullish closure. Okay, but now I'm gonna focus on gold. Okay. Gold also looks like it wanna make a big pullback because yesterday had a hell of a big bullish day. But I don't expect actually, yeah, today can be a big red day. If today I would expect how low the gold can go, I would say around 400. 400 level on CFD, and I would say about 460 on a future. So yeah. Okay. The first 4 hour of New York session are gonna be tricky. We should be very careful trading the first 4 hour of New York session. I would say the first 2 hours for New York session, because I'm not gonna stay 4 hours. But yeah, we should be very careful trading gold. It gave a lot of opportunities today. By this time, I think it gave shorts a lot of shorts. But unfortunately we wasn't here and we didn't take them. Yeah. So yeah, let's watch it. Okay. I don't think it's gonna give us any trades right now. Hello, Gigs. Gigsy? I'm not sure what I'm going to trade today. I wanna trade gold, but currently I don't think it will be any trades. I think we should wait for a better setup. I don't want to rush in any unreasonable trades for gold. I think we're still moving to the downside, but let's see. I think we are still bearish on gold. But we should have a healthy pullback to the upside first before we're moving lower. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure what latency is right now, but you should be very careful copying my trades because it's very risky and I do it only for educational purpose. I'm not doing it for... This is not a financial advice. So be very careful with your size. First, the most important is your size, yeah? The delay is about 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Yeah, delay is about 4 seconds. Okay. I wanna set my mic. Let's see how I can do it. Is it better now? Yes, I think it's better. Okay, let's more. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Whoop. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Come on. Yes, gold I think is moving probably to the upside. Okay. I took a small short on gold here, and yeah, amazing. Okay, I'm targeting 50 points around. Okay. Come on, go lower. I'm already break even. Is a risk for the price to go higher here. Okay, I'm gonna close everything. So I close everything. Yes, it can go lower, but I would like to see more price. I need more information right now. Yes, looks like the price can go higher. Okay. Okay, Hotkey. I wanna show you something. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Yes, it's gonna go higher. Amazing buy here. If someone wants to take a buy, then this is a great opportunity. I enter a buy up here on gold. Okay, let's go gold. I may be stopped out, I don't know. Okay, let's go. I wanna see a spike higher. I don't wanna see the price come back inside. Okay. I enter for a quick scalp up here. I may be wrong, guys, because we still have 2 minutes and this 5-minute candle can go back inside. If not this, the next one. I want to see price move higher. Come on, go higher. Yeah, looks like the price probably may see a lower closure. Come on. Yes, probably it's gonna be a lower closure and I may be stopped out, I don't know. Yes, looks like yes. It's gonna go one more to the downside before it's gonna give me a buy, but let's see. I'm gonna close half now. I close half, just a risk management decision. In case it goes, it goes. In case it doesn't, I'm out. Okay. Come on, spike higher. 20 seconds. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. I wanna add, to be honest, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay. Oh, that's a good 5-minute candle, guys. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. I close it. I close the trade. The price still has room to the upside, definitely, but I close it because I need more price range, I would say. Really? Yes, as I expected, after the high to go lower. This is a tricky because the price can go all the way back to the downside. Also, I'm not ready for shorts here because the shorts are very dangerous here as well, but I'm not gonna take buys right now as well. It was a good buy here for a scalp for 40 points, but I'm not gonna do it. Yes, we may see a bullish closure or at least a higher 1 minute, 5-minute candle closure, and yeah. I want to take a buy, to be honest, up here, down here, but yeah, it's not a good risk reward already. It's gonna go without me. Definitely it's gonna go. Yeah, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Yes, today is gonna be a big bearish day on gold and Nasdaq as well. I don't expect a big retracement on Nasdaq. Probably, I don't know, but I will look more shorts on Nasdaq. You should be very careful with buys on it. If so, then yeah. Anyway, very careful. Yeah, it was a good buy on gold for a scalp. Probably higher. The price is gonna move higher. Yes, it was a good buy. Good scalp on 1 minute down here. I think it's gonna go at least 40 points. Probably now is not a bad buy, but it's kind of too late for me because I love risk reward, good risk reward. Nah, it's gonna go without me. It's gonna go. Okay, should I enter now? Nah. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a better setup. So, what I wanted to show you. Okay. Can you see it? No, probably not. No, you can't. Okay. Right now you should be very careful if you have buys, because the price is a high chance for the price to drop lower from here. Probably I should take a short. It's not a bad place for a short, but yes, I took a short, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong, guys. Amazing short. Come on, go lower. Okay. Amazing. Why you don't close my trade, you? So my broker is kinda weird, to be honest. It starts closing trades whenever he wants. I wanna show you, let me try a different window capture, image display capture, application audio capture. Yes, it was a great short. I took a short when this 5-minute candle closed, but I closed in only 30 points in profit. It was a great short, to be honest here. So let me show you. I want to show you right now. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's try this one. So right now you see my full display. I want to show you how. So this is the app what I'm using right now. This is the app built for scalp trading, intraday trading, swing trading. So basically, this app offers you a lot of features. Let's say we have risk parameters. Yeah, we have the risk. So let's say we put the max loss. This is the max daily loss. Let's say we put $1,000. This is the maximum what we want to lose. Click enable. Let's say the maximum daily profit. Let's say 2,000, and click enable. This is the maximum trades per day what you can put for the app, not allow you to take more trades than you want. Let's say it protects like revenge trading. And also this is the losing streak, how many trades you want the app to lock you out if you lost. And this is the trailing loss. Yeah, max daily trailing loss. Click enable if you want. Let's say you are up in profit 500, yeah, and you want from that 500 you want max loss from the app of the day, not to lose more than 1,000, yeah. So basically the maximum what after you were up 500, the maximum what you lose is minus 500, yeah. So it activates when you are in profit. Yes, and below you have the maximum total open lots. So let's say I have this is for 10 minis. This is the size of 10 minis. So if my trade size is, let's say I have 2 mini per trade, and I open 5, then the maximum what is gonna allow me to trade will be 10, yeah. But let's say I want to put 1 mini, yeah, then the maximum size is gonna be 1 mini. So in this way it protects your self from revenge trading and protects your emotions, your mentality. Yeah, and after this you press reset settings and save settings, and you can lock out them. Yes, once you press the lockout button, you cannot change it. Any data from here, you cannot change it until midnight. Yeah, so basically until the day finishes you cannot change this. So this is not gonna allow you to click it and to change it. Yeah, let's say that we also have the auto size. This is more for swing traders. Yes, but this app it uses hotkeys. Yeah, basically you press the button to open the trades. You don't have to click manually on MetaTrader to buy, to sell, or to modify your order. Yeah, let's say here we click the right click. Yeah, let's say right click, and let's say, so basically the hotkey should be from free. Hotkey should be from free buttons at least, yeah. So let's say I want Ctrl Alt Q, yeah. Let's say Alt1, yeah. So basically this is gonna buy. So I'm pressing just this button and it's gonna buy, yeah. Or if I want to, my trade is in profit. Let's say I want it to be break even, yeah. So basically this is how you set it, and once you set it, you have it, and you can use it in your trading broker. Well, let's say you want to close 50%, yeah. This is how this is why you see me all the times saying that I'm closing 50%, yeah. I'm closing half of my trade. This is what I'm doing. Let's say to close half I should press Alt A, yeah. So this is gonna close me 50%. So if I want, I pass this buttons is gonna close 50%. Or flatten all. Flatten all is gonna close all your trades on the broker, yeah. So if you have trades open on MetaTrader, let's say on gold and NQ, is gonna close all your trades, yeah. This one you can choose to close the symbol only. So basically this is gonna close you only if you want. If you have Nasdaq and gold open at the same time, you can press the button and you can choose to close only gold, but the chart has to be focused on gold. Yes, and also we have auto size risk. This is a very good, amazing feature. This puts your stop loss automatically below the low of the 5-minute, of the 15-minute, depends what you want to test it. Okay, now it doesn't matter. Let's focus on trading. Okay, so let's focus on trading. So if you have any question how to use it, you can text me directly in Instagram. Also, we have videos on YouTube how to install it. Remember, if you want to install it, you can install it directly. Your broker should be closed, the terminal should be closed. It doesn't matter if it's closed, but after installation, you should close the broker and open it again, because the app has to install the E in the broker or terminal, and for this you have to close it and open it again, because, or refresh, at least refresh. Yes, it was a great short up here when I said it, but it's sad that I didn't hold it. I'm okay in profit today by now. It's fine. I still can find trades today. I'm not worried about it. Yes, thank you, Eugen. Yes, you're right. Without this app, is quite hard to, because the market is very aggressively traded by algorithms, and to have an advantage against them, you need a tool like this. Yes. So today, I want to say that Nasdaq is very, very bearish. I'm crazy bearish, I would say. As today, how do you call the Fed chair? Let me show you. So, with today, I don't think we have any news. Only unemployment claims, but this is nothing's gonna change. It's already released. Yes, 4 minutes ago it was released. Natural gas storage, nothing tomorrow as well. So the main reason why we have the sentiment to the downside is because, not this one, where are you? Let's try Fed news. Right. Yes, Fed officials sounding for rate hike if inflation doesn't cool, minutes show. So basically this means one thing, that the inflation is going to go higher, interest rate, the bank base rate is going to go higher. Yeah. And this means that the Nasdaq is going to go lower. As you can see, we already have the breaking news. Treasury yields rebound, wiping out the decline following Besant intervention. Yeah. So basically, market is bleeding right now. Especially, we have a lot of leverage in the market. We should not forget about the leverage. And we should be very careful with the size. The size, it's the most important on your account. This is what kills your account. Yeah. And the time when you revenge, this is what kills you, because the size, yeah, is kind of tricky one, and you should be very careful, guys, trading it. Trading your account, you should be like, I don't know, like with your car, yeah, very careful. Very careful not to crush it and not to scratch it. You can scratch it, but as long as you don't crush it, it's alright. Okay, now on gold here, I would expect one leg to the upside. Okay. I still think we are bearish and we should move to the downside, but let me take a... Oh, it's too late. I wanted to take a buy here, but it's too late. It's too late for me to take a buy. Yes, it was a good buy down here, but it's alright. We can leave it. We can leave it without taking this trade. It was a great 90 points trade. At least 90. I think it can go even 120 points. So yeah. It was an amazing buy. Wow, what a buy was here. Amazing. Yes, it moved fast because when I speak, he listens. Oh, you're speaking about the app, yes. Yes, the app is very fast. You're right, Vas. The app is great. And to be honest, for me, it helped a lot. A lot helped me, myself. I built it. I built it for traders because you cannot find anything like this out there for MetaTrader. You have on futures, but you have to pay for it. It's around $180 to $200 per month if you want futures like this. And also we're gonna add a lot of futures in the next 2-3 months. They are gonna be a lot more. Okay, now will be a time for a short on gold here. We should be very careful. This is a very risky trade, guys. A very risky, I would say, a very risky. Very, very risky trade. Because if I'm wrong, the price is gonna go at least 100 points above it. So you should not hold it longer than can you afford it. You should have a very tight stop loss. But in case I'm right, then we are looking for about 100 points, at least. Yes, at least 100 points. I'm gonna take a short right now. I enter a short here. I may be wrong. I don't recommend it. Okay, because it can spike higher. Okay. I already took halves because I was 16 points in profit. Okay. And that one, I don't want to see it going higher. Yes, if it closes up here, you should close it. You should not hold it. Hold it. Okay. Yes, looks like it's gonna go higher. Yep. He is gonna go higher. Okie dokie, that looks interesting to me. Let's see it. I enter a small short, but I'm not sure about it because I think it can spike higher from here any second. Yes, it can. So I'm gonna put a stop loss. Yes, it's gonna spike higher. But you should be very careful. Okay. Wow, okay. Yes. I'm not sure how far this may go. But yeah, let's see it. Let's watch it. Okay. This is a very tricky place for gold. I'll be very careful here. I don't think it's a buy yet, but I mainly want short side. But from what I see, the price may go both ways, and we should be very careful. Yes. Okay. I still think we are bearish. We may see one leg more to the upside, but mainly we are bearish on gold. This is kind of a W. Yeah, this is a... But I'm not sure if it's gonna give to us. So be very careful with the size, with everything on it. I want to take a short, to be honest. Probably it's too late now. It's gonna give it to us, but I'm not sure. I want to take a short, to be honest, but I'm gonna wait. Probably today Nasdaq may be a better choice to trade, but let's watch it. Yes, it was a good short up here, but yes, it's gonna go lower, a lot lower. We may come one more time for this high on the left, but I'll be very careful with buying it. Okay, looks like it wants to go higher. Okay. We may see actually one leg to the upside. Probably I should look for a buy, but I don't trust it. I don't trust it so much. So yeah. Should we go or not? I don't think it will. If the price goes, then it's gonna spike right now, so in the next few seconds. If doesn't, then it's gonna be a drop. Yes. This is gonna be mainly a drop here. I hope it's gonna give us a buy here. Let's see it. But looks like mainly a drop, to be honest. Yes, I wanna take a short here first. Let's see it. Amazing. Let's go, brother. You know you're gonna go lower. I don't think we're moving higher from here. We may actually, but let's see. I wanna see a short here. So looks like I may be wrong, I don't know. Let's see it. Yes, looks like I'm wrong. Really? I don't know. Yes, it's gonna go higher probably. I wanna add on to shorts here, but I'm afraid that the gold can spike so fast that I cannot. Okay, let's see it. I'm gonna hold it for now. Okay, looks like it's gonna go higher. Very careful with your size, guys. It's kind of holding up here. Yes, looks like this is what I was afraid. Come on, go inside. I wanna see this 5 minutes go back inside. Looks like it's not gonna do it. So I was stopped out, guys. And I'm red now. Oh, that's not good. Yes. It is what it is now. The price still has room to the upside. If already broke it, probably it's gonna go a bit higher. I will look for shorts up here. I will look for shorts up here. So yeah. It was a good buy now if I look back, but yeah, it was a risky one. Looks like this W it worked, and yeah. So we still have 5 minutes. I think we're still going higher. So let's see it. Okay, I took a small buy up here, but it may be a fake move to the upside. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it. In case it goes, it goes. In case it doesn't. You should be very careful, because this 5 minute may snap all the back down. It can be a very dangerous buy up here. But in case it goes, it's gonna give a 50 points trade, I would say. Yes, looks like it's gonna go. Okay, I closed half already. Yes, let's see it. I think we're moving for 25 more points, and I'm gonna close it. The hardest thing when you're red, to be honest, is to keep your emotions in place, because you may start revenging, you may start looking for unreasonable trades, and you should always ask yourself if this is the right trade to take. Geeks is kind of frozen what you try to road. I don't know why, or was that a smile, or no, I don't know. So I'm already break even. So I'm targeting about 50 points. Okay, amazing. So I close everything. I close my whole trade because I made some money on it. Yes. I recommend you to be very careful, guys. Even copying my trades, be very careful, because it's risky. It's a delay. I don't know how long is a delay, but yeah. So okay. I will start looking for shorts in about 5 minutes. I'm not looking now for shorts. I will wait for a good trade for a short, and probably will allow me to recover from red. I think it's gonna give me a good chance to get out from red, but also it's gonna be not a bad trade for you. But for this we have to wait maybe longer than 5-10 minutes. But yeah, let's be careful, because the most important thing is to protect your money, and this is should be our main priority, to protect our money, our account. It's better to not take a trade than to take it. So yeah, let's watch meantime what Nasdaq is doing. So Nasdaq also has a bull move, a small leg to the upside. Yeah, it was a good buy, great buy, I would say. So it almost took the liquidity out. Okay, 240, 241.25. So basically it took the liquidity out from the left, and we may see some price reversing. Probably Nasdaq may come back inside the range. I expect a move to the downside, but the first 30 minutes from the market open are gonna be tricky. You should be very careful. Yep. So I would expect this 5 minutes to go lower, to close bearish, probably bigger 5-minute red candle. But let's wait and let's see. This looks very interesting here. I would say very interesting, because I want to see what the next 5 minutes is gonna do. You should be very careful trading the next 5 minutes. Yes, I recommend you to be very careful trading the next 5 minutes. It may be one leg to the upside, but very careful. Trade it very careful. If you gonna trade it. Yes, looks like we are kind of bullish, mainly bullish. Yeah. Okay, this 5 minute looks interesting now. That's a juicy one. Yes, you should be very careful trading the next 5 minutes, I would say next 15 minutes. Because I may be wrong, guys, I may be wrong, yeah? Just remember, I may be wrong. Because the price looks very bullish. I don't recommend you to take this type of trade, as long as you don't know how to trade it. Okay, so it goes higher. Wow, okay. Really? Come on, go lower and don't play with me. It's good that I hope you didn't take it. Okay. So basically I am more red now. Okay, that's not good. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. I'm looking for a short somewhere here, but probably I have a wrong bias, to be honest, today. Yes, probably my bias is wrong. I don't know. It changed probably down here when I tried to take short, but it kept going higher. Yes, I'm red now, guys. There's nothing that I can do about it. It's only not to trade. But I'm red. I am red. Okay. So you should be very careful. This 5 minute is a tricky 5 minute. I think we are not done yet. I need a more of a range, to be honest. I need more of a range, but looks like we may go one leg to the upside. Yep, still one more leg to the upside. I think we are quite done going to the upside, because I think we should switch to the bearish side from here. But in case it's gonna give me buys, I don't know, let's see. Okay, so I texted. I wanted to see why the message was not coming through. This 5 minute is gonna be a bearish one. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna rush in any trades because now I am activated emotionally because I'm red and I don't wanna take trades, but what I'm gonna regret about. So let's wait. Let's wait. Yep. Yes, it was a good short, my gosh, but let's wait. The short is coming from here. I think we are gonna go lower, a lot lower. I would wait for trades. I'm still gonna stay away for the next 20 minutes probably from trades. I want my mind to kind of calm down because usually after this type of loss it takes you about 15 minutes to slow down your adrenaline, emotions, and I'm not gonna touch it for the next 15 minutes. So until market opens, probably I'm not gonna take any trades. Even if there's gonna be a trade, I'm not gonna take it because my mind is not gonna see it clearly. My mind now wants to recover the loss, and I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, probably this 5 minutes is gonna be a drop to the downside. I don't know, let's see. If the price goes higher than this level, then probably it's gonna go one more time to the upside. Yes, but in case switch is bearish, then it's going lower. If doesn't, then probably it's gonna go for about 60 points. Yes, it's gonna be probably a one closure above here, and probably the next one also pump higher. Let's see, I don't know. Let's wait and let's see. But in case it switches bearish, then this is gonna be a big bearish candle. To be honest, I expect a bearish closure, but let's see it. Yes, looks like it's gonna go lower from here. It's gonna be a big bearish candle. Yeah, probably this is the short what I should have waited. I rushed, to be honest, in trades. Even now this trade can switch and go bullish, but it was a better choice to wait for this type of setup than to take like when the price is going higher to take shorts, yeah. But I think the price is gonna go lower. Or if it doesn't go lower, the next one is gonna drop. Let's see it. I'm coming in 2 seconds. I'll be right back. So let's see our closure on the 5 minute. Looks like the next 5 minutes probably is gonna go to the upside. So be very careful. I am more to the downside, to be honest, but looks like the price shows different direction. Probably we are not ready, but let's see. The next 5 minutes probably may drop. Yeah, but also may go higher a lot. So should be very careful. I would expect 15 minutes candle to close around 466, I would say. So we have the 15-minute candle open in 23 seconds. You should be very careful because the next 15-minute candle should not go higher. If it's a bearish one, should not go higher than this level, and it's gonna go lower for about this level. Yeah. So 100 points trade is not a bad trade. Yeah, it's gonna go lower from what I see. Okay. Should I take a trade or wait? But also looks like tricky one. Yes, it's gonna be a bearish one, a big bearish one. I'm not gonna take a trade here because I said I'm not gonna touch it, but if you want, it's a good setup here. I'm not touching it right now, even if it's a good setup. The problem with this 15-minute candle, we have one big problem. It can take the low and go all the back to the upside. This is the reason why the stop loss is so low. But if the price doesn't come higher, then we are moving lower, probably for at least 100 points. And this is going to be a trade, I would say 1 to 3, yeah, kind of 1 to 3. 1 to 3 trade, yeah. You may see the bullish closure on 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, the 15 minutes candle is kind of tricky, to be honest, but in case it goes, it goes. Okay. So looks like probably it's not the time to go lower. Let's watch it. I don't know, let's see it. Come on, go, 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 go. Let's go. Okay, so now probably it's time to close the trade because this just confirm is going higher. Yes, the problem with this 15-minute candle, yeah, this is what I was afraid of, that this can take the low and probably close around this level. And the next one is going to take the high and see a drop lower. Let's see it. I hope this 5 minutes is not going to go higher than this, and the next one is going to drop lower. But looks like it's gonna be an outside 5-minute candle, bigger outside bar. The problem, what I have right now, is like the higher time frame shows that it should go lower, and I expect a price to move lower in these 15 minutes actually, but I don't know. Let's see. I may be wrong, guys. I'm not so good to be right all the time, yeah. So yeah. So looks like the closure on the 15 minutes on Nasdaq looks the same. That's interesting. That's an interesting point. So you should watch the next 5 minutes because it's gonna be a tricky one. Yes, as I said, an outside bar on a 15 minutes, on 5 minutes, and now the next one probably is gonna snap higher, but I don't think so. It can be tricky and go lower. We should be very careful. The problem right now I have is like conflicting information. One shows buy, another shows sell, yeah? Actually, two shows buy and one sell, and this is the main problem. Two sell and two buy, and I don't know. Let's see. I think it's a short side here. Well, let's see. So let's watch it. Yeah. Wow, okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Yes, as you can see, we are in kinda small range up here, and I think we should stay away from it. We should stay away from it. I am mainly bearish, but let's see. Let's see. We can play both sides. We still have 2 minutes and a half, 2 minutes 20. Looks like this 5 minute already decided, but let's wait. Let's wait, because this is gonna be the trade. What is gonna go lower? The trade, the price, the candle. That's sorry. So I say that is 460. Let's see if the price is gonna go to 460. Okay. Yes, now you should see some volume coming in, but The problem is still the 15-minute candle. The 15-minute candle is gonna hold the price up here and is not gonna allow to go lower. The problem is the 15-minute candle, so basically we need the 15 minutes candle, we need the help from the 15 minutes traders, yeah? We need the help of the traders who trade on the 15 minutes. This 15 minutes is not ready yet. Probably the next one also is not going to be ready. Yeah, and we should be very careful trading it. The next 5 minutes probably is gonna be a drop, but you should be very careful because it's gonna come back inside. Yeah, you should be very careful the next 5 minutes if you're gonna take any trades on it. I probably may not take any more trades today if I don't see anything good, because I don't want to get a bigger loss than I am right now. Yes, the next 5 minutes probably is gonna drop, but you should be very careful. Okay. I want to take a good trade, like this one here. It was a great trade, but I didn't hold it. It gave a very good short up here, short, amazing actually. But yeah, it wasn't in our trading time, and yeah, it is what it is. Here also was a buy, but for some reason I looked for a short size. Here also one more buy, here also one more buy. But it's a short, yeah, and I paid for it. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, this is trading, and there's nothing you can do about this. You're wrong, you're wrong. So gold looks interesting now. Gold is still bearish in my view. I don't think anything changed. Let's see the next 20 minutes what it's gonna do, but I don't think anything changed. I know it looks bullish here on a higher time frame, but I don't know. Maybe it comes for these highs on the left. If comes, that's great. We should look for buys. It's gonna give us opportunity for buys. We know how to take the trades for both sides. Yeah, let's be careful and let's watch it. I still think we are moving to the downside, but I may be wrong. I don't know. I may be wrong, guys. I may be wrong. I think the next 30 minutes are gonna be tricky to trade and dangerous also. And yes. Let's look Nasdaq. What is doing Nasdaq? So Nasdaq also I think is bearish. A hell of a lot of bearishness. I don't think Nasdaq is bullish. Yeah, I don't think Nasdaq is bullish. It can be bullish, but I'll be very careful with buying on it, because we still have a lot of things to the downside. It may go higher, I agree. It may not. From what I see, I would like to see a bearish move to the downside, but it may go higher first and then lower. I don't know, let's see. Nasdaq may come to retest this one more time, these levels. Can do like this and then drop lower, or it can drop snap to the downside right at the beginning of the market open. So yeah, we have 1 minute till Nasdaq open, market open. Okay, gold looks like okay. So gold looks like it's gonna be in a range, probably for next 30 minutes. I think Nasdaq is worth more to watch it. I'm gonna watch Nasdaq for now. Next 30 minutes I'm not gonna touch gold. Because I think gold is not ready yet. I think we should allow at least 15-30 minutes from market open. So let's make it. Let's see a good trade on Nasdaq today. So what is the volume today on Nasdaq? Wow, it's quite good, I would say. It's not a bad volume on Nasdaq. Let's put our highs, lows, and let's watch it. Price may go higher on Nasdaq here, especially how the 15 minutes candle closes, and also we had like liquidity from the downside was taken. Yes, it can go higher, but you should be very careful. Okay. Yep. So 43 points. It's gonna be an outside bar, guys, on a 15 minutes. Probably, I don't know, let's see. Yes, it's gonna be an outside bar on a 15 minutes and it's gonna go lower. You should be very careful, because if it doesn't, I think it's gonna go lower. Let's see it. Okay. I want to take a short somewhere here, but I'm quite not confident enough. Okay, looks like... Okay, understood now. So basically Nasdaq decided to go to the upside, guys. I'm not in any trades right now. Okay, 424. Oh my god, it's gonna give me a 1 minute trade here or not? 424. I think it's gonna go for 450 higher. Should I enter buy? Probably. Come on, go higher. I enter a small buy, but it may snap lower because of the 1 minute candle. I hope it's gonna go higher. Amazing. Come on, go. Okay, go higher. I want a 25 points trade here. Yes, the 1 minute may go all the way back down. I hope not. Okay, of course you can. Of course you can. So let's see it. Let's see it. So the problem is in this 1 minute. It may go lower, but I hope we may see a closure up here for the price to move higher. Just for the next 5 minutes. Okay. Come on. Okay. Yes, this was not a good 1 minute, guys, because this is gonna be a hell of 1 minute, a bearish one. I hope not, but looks like it's gonna be a bearish 1 minute. Yes. This is gonna be a hell of a bearish 1 minute. Come on, switch bullish. No, he's not gonna do it. He's not gonna switch bullish. Yeah, it's gonna go lower from here. The next 5 minute probably, the next 1 minute probably is gonna go higher a bit and gonna give me a chance to get out, but no, he's not gonna give it to me. Let's see it. No, he's not gonna give it to me. So looks like the price decided to the downside. Yes. So the 5 minute closure happens right now. Okay. I think we're still quite bullish for now. Let's see it. I hope the next 5 minutes is gonna go higher. Okay. Okay. I think it's gonna snap lower, but let's see. Yes, it's gonna snap lower. That doesn't look good at all. So now we're gonna switch bullish. Oh, of course we're gonna do it. Of course, come on, go now. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing, go for that. Go, 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 amazing buy, amazing buy. Wow, what it cost me to hold it, to be honest. Wow, I think I lost, I got greedy because of this trade. Wow, it was a good trade, to be honest, a very good trade. But I got in quite very quick. To be honest, I should have waited for this 5 minute candle. For the first 5 minute candle closure, I should have waited. I already closed my trade because I think we are quite done to bullishness. I know it looks like it wants to go for the highs, for this high. It may go, but you should be very careful, guys. You should be very careful. So now I recovered a part of my loss. I quite feel some relief, but I should be very careful. I'm not green yet. Yes, I'm not green yet. Okay. So I'm gonna switch back to the 5 minutes because that was an opening and I don't want to trade it on the 1 minute. Okay. You should be very careful. If you look for buys, but very careful. Okay, looks like probably price is gonna go for that lower high. I don't know, let's see. We have 500 level above it. So we have 500 level above it. Price looks bullish to me right now on the all-time frames. For now, yeah. But I don't know what is gonna happen in the next 15 minutes. Because we may see the next 15 minutes go lower. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Doesn't matter. But you should be very careful. You should be very careful. Guys, thank you everyone that you're here. I know today it's kind of bit rough for me, but that's for me. This is trading. You cannot have every day a green day, believe me. This is the hard part about trading, and this is the most difficult one. You should be very careful with trading because trading is dangerous. Whoever started just trading, I recommend you never quit your job, never. At least until you grow an account for 6 figures, you should never quit your job, yeah? I was lucky that, I quit it yearly, but for the first 3 years, I wasn't profitable. But I was lucky because I would not tell lucky, but I would say it was hard work. It's a very hard work, believe me. If you are a trader starting your journey and think it's gonna be easy, believe me, oh my god, you have no idea what is waiting for you. This is the hardest job mentally, I would say the hardest job mentally in the world, I would say. But it is the easiest money what you can make once you make it. Yes, I know you know, and people who trade for more than 1 year, they know what I am talking about. And to put a lot of hope on trading, you can, but you need the right tool first. You need an edge. I would say first you need an edge in trading, and the next you need the right tool. Which is going to help you to have an advantage in the market. And the third, I would say the second, you need a mentor. Very good or to learn from someone, but the edge, this is where you're going to take it, is from someone who can teach you, or at least this is going to make your journey shorter. Because if you think that you're so smart that you're gonna figure it out yourself, of course, I don't say you're not smart, but it's gonna take longer than usual. Yeah. Next 5 minutes probably is gonna go a bit higher, but it's alright. For 25 points I think we are moving lower. First TP should be around this level, 140 points, and the next one should be 200 points TP. If the price breaks above this level, then we are moving higher for this high. So in that case we are looking for buys, and only for buys if we break above this high. Yeah, this is the New York high, and we should look for it. If it breaks higher, then we should take buys. But from what I see, in my opinion, probably is gonna go higher. I don't know. Let's see. Probably, I don't know. Yeah, looks like probably is gonna go higher. We have a continuation candle on the higher time frame here. Kind of, it looks like. Thank you for compliments, and see you tomorrow. I'm still gonna be here probably for next hour, because I think gold is gonna give me a juicy setups next hour, and probably I'm gonna recover from red and make some good amount in profit, but let's see. So the next 5 minutes is gonna push to the upside. We may see one leg to the upside, and then probably it's gonna give me an entry for a short. So let's wait it, let's see it. If the price goes higher from here, then it goes all the way back 140 points to the upside, and probably we should look for a buy, but I don't know. Let's see. The problem is that if it goes, probably it may go, I don't know. I don't see it right now to go higher. I think it's gonna go lower. Let's see it. I don't know. Let's see it. Let's watch it. I may be wrong. I don't know. I may be wrong. The higher time frames looks kind of bullish to me, to be honest. But I have one higher time frame that shows a different thing, so let's see how the 15 minutes candle is gonna close, because this 15 minutes is gonna show me to enter a short or not. Probably it may go higher, and it will probably. I don't know, guys. Probably if you have buy, skip it, because you may be in a good shape now. So looks like, yes, it may go higher first. Yes, it's gonna go higher. Come on, go a bit higher, brother. Oh my god. Really? So I didn't click the short, believe me, I didn't fucking click the short. Now I'm gonna watch it dropping. Yes. Yes, guys, yes. This is the pain. This is the pain what I'm doing right now. I hope someone took this short, because, yeah. I didn't took the short. Why I didn't click it? Yes, FOMO is under control right now. I'm not gonna enter now, because I love to have very good entries. Yeah. Anyway, if it goes lower, it's gonna give me another entry, believe me. So if you have any questions, please ask me, because I can answer to you. So looks like may give me a short. Ah, no, it's gonna go without me. Oh my god, it's gonna go without me. It's gonna go without me. What a loss. What a loser. I didn't took that trade short. The reason why I didn't take it, I expected a better entry, and I kinda hesitated to take a short. I was thinking that it's gonna give me a 10 points better short. But yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope someone took the short, guys. I hope. I hope someone entered short. So if you look at the higher time frame, it shows you bullish, but no, it's not bullish. Yeah. If you look at the higher time frame, it shows a buy, but it was a fake move. Probably is gonna go higher. Let's see. Yes, it was a good short up here. That's 80 points trade, guys. An 80 points trade, yeah? Exactly from the week. Exactly from the highest point, and you have, let's say, at least 140 points trade. My gosh. Why is happening that to me? Why to me? Why to me, guys? So I had a great setup here for a short. I'm red, and now I want to take the trade. I want to make the money back what I lost, but I can't, yeah, because I have a responsibility for my account, and because of you here. Yes, but I hope someone took the trade to the downside. Crazy, crazy. I don't want to even look at this. Let's look at gold. What gold is doing? So gold, as I said, gold is messing around. We're still in the range. And yeah, probably is gonna give a short. I don't know. Yes, yes, gold probably is not done yet going to the upside. Okay, gold is gonna be in a range for I don't know how long. Yeah, I should be very careful trading gold. Probably Nasdaq is a better choice. Yes, it's selling FOMO. It's selling off FOMO. Oh, it's smelling off FOMO. Okay, yeah. Smiling. Come on, brother. Here was a good short, to be honest. Okay, go. Let's go. Let's go. This was a good short here. I enter short. You should be very careful because this 5 minute may go higher. In case it goes, you should go out. I hope I may get some money from it. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I know you're gonna do it. Amazing, baby. Amazing, baby. Again, 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 again. Amazing. I know the 5 minute candle closure did not look very good, but yeah, I want to add even now, to be honest. Okay, looks like I should not. Okay, should I add? Come on, go lower. Don't play with me. Okay, if I see one more time bullish, I'm closing the trade, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be a big red candle. Come on, give it to me, brother. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, I wanna see that green on my account. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Yes, I closed almost 75% of the trade. I recovered some. I'm still red, guys. I'll be honest with you, I'm still red. Because when I'm red, and I'm red big, I mean not big, but close to my max daily loss, I feel like my max daily loss is gonna lock me out, and I reduce the size. I don't increase it, but I reduce it because I want to get away from my max daily loss. Because once my max daily losses get hit, then I'm locked out, yeah? So yes, let's see it go. It's gonna go lower, baby. I know you're gonna do it. I know it's gonna do it. It's gonna give it to me. It's gonna give it to me. Go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah. This is how you make money, guys. Very easy, step by step. You don't jump 3 steps. You take 1 step, maybe on the same step for 2 days. Then you take 1 more, 2 more. This is how you grow the account. Where's my crouch? So, I hope someone made money. Woo! My TP got hit, guys. My TP got hit. Amazing trade. It was greater if my entry was from above it. But yeah, I had only this entry short. But oh my god, what a trade up here. What a trade, guys, was here. What a trade. Let's see, do you have music here? I think it stopped. Oh no, still playing. Heavy bass. Let's put, what music do you want? Let's put Bob Marley. Okay, let's play Bob Marley. Okay. Let's put a bit lower, just not to be too high. Nasdaq is gonna give more shorts, guys, but we should leave it to give it time, yeah? We should wait probably for the next 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't know. Once the 4-hour candle closes, which is in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, it's gonna be another short. Probably, I don't know yet. Let's see, let's watch it, but I think it's gonna be another short. And we should be ready for that short. Yes, 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 yes. So this is another leg to the downside. I will not recommend to take buys here. If you want to take a short, you can scalp it, but very careful, because it's not higher, it goes higher. But I don't think it's going to go higher from here. I think this is going to give a short here. I'm going to enter. I entered a small short. Let's see it go lower. Okay. Amazing. Give me a 30 points trade. If it goes higher, I'm out. I think it's gonna go lower. But if it goes higher, I'm out. Okay, okay, that doesn't look good. Drop lower, brother, don't go higher. Okay, looks like it's gonna go higher. Yes, it looks like... Yes, it's gonna go higher. Yeah. Why do you? Okay, it was a losing trade, that's fine. 369. Yeah, it was a good buy, probably 1 minute, you think. Yes, probably it was, but not for me. It was a good buy, but not for me. I know the reason why I took the buy, but not for me. If you have a buy from down there, then I recommend to take profits. Okay. Because I think the price is going to go lower. Yes. I hope you took profits, because it was a great buy down there, but it's coming to an end. We are coming to an end right now, and we are gonna have a big red candle. I wanna get into a short, to be honest, and I'm gonna enter now. Amazing. Go lower, brother. Go lower. So good, so good. I know you're gonna go lower. I know you're gonna go lower. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Drop lower. Drop lower. Lower. Go for that 369. 316. Go, brother, for 316, yeah? 316. Okay. The next 5 minutes is gonna be a bearish one. I think even this 5 minutes is gonna go, it's gonna close around this level, if not lower. I may get back in shorts. I may get back in shorts. Wow, what a price action on gold. Actually we are going higher on gold. That's interesting. That's very interesting on gold. We are wow, okay. Gold looks interesting to me, but I wanna see Nasdaq more than gold. Yes, I think Nasdaq is better. Okay. Yes, I think, okay, so we may see a drop here. We should be very careful. The price may go both ways because of the 15 minutes candle and 1 hour, I would say. Yes, and 30 minutes. But I want to see a drop first, to be honest. If the drop is gonna give it to me, but if not, it's gonna go higher. And very fast it can go higher. Very, 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 very fast. So let's see it. Okay, let's see the closure in 10 seconds because I want to take a short, but it may go higher first. So should I take a short? Probably yes. Okay, looks like it's gonna go higher. Yes, it's gonna go higher, guys. It's gonna go higher. Probably. I don't know. Let's see it. If this is just a pullback, then we may see price drop lower. Let's see it. If not, this is the perfect entry for a buy, guys. Perfect entry for a buy. Okay, I waited for the price to switch the color, but looks like it's not gonna do it. No, it's not gonna do it. And looks like the price is gonna go higher. Yes, this was a great buy. It may give one more time a buy, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it. Yes, higher time frames. I don't like it, to be honest, but looks like it's gonna go higher from here. The next 5 minutes probably may give one more buy. If not goes now higher. So if I enter a buy, then it's gonna be from here, guys. Okay, if I enter a buy, then it's gonna be down here. But not this 5 minute candle. If this 5 minute candle comes at here, I'm not gonna take any buys. Yep. Come on, come lower. I know you will. Okay, that looks interesting now. Wow, looks like it's switching color now. Really? Wow, amazing. I enter short, guys. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go for that low. What a manipulation, guys. Wow, this is gonna be a big red candle here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Amazing. Woohoo. Woo. So this is why it's very important, because this 5 minutes is gonna go lower. I think it's gonna go a lot lower. It's gonna go for this low on the left. This is why it's very important to know how to read the price action. This is the main skill what I have, to be honest. This is my main skill. This is why I say that not this 5 minute, yeah? Not this 5 minute, if comes here, I'm gonna take a buy. I waited this 5 minute close bullish and the next one to come lower, then for me to give me a buy. But I enter a short. This 5 minute is gonna go lower. If you want, you may take a short. It's gonna go lower a lot. I mean, not a lot, but let's see how the 5 minute is gonna close, because there's a risk that the next 5 minute may come one more time for the highs. But yeah, let's see. I think it's gonna go lower. Come on, brother. I'm looking to add one more here. So let's see it. Oh, really? You're gonna close up there? Go lower and don't play with me. Okay, yes, I don't like the closure, to be honest. Okay. Go lower. Lower. So break lower now. Okay. I want to add one more here. I added one more. Amazing, 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 amazing. And now snap, break the low and go lower. Go all the way down. Don't go higher. Don't do that. Come on, don't do that. It may go all the back higher, and this is a risk for this type of setup. Come on, break it. Really? Wow. So it plays with me here. Probably I should close everything, but I still think it's gonna drop lower. Probably I'm wrong, I don't know. Yes, probably I'm wrong, I don't know. And this 5 minute may go all back higher. Yes. Come on, drop it. I'm still in these shorts. Okay, so it looks like I have to get out. Go lower, brother. Okay, no, it's not gonna go lower. It's gonna go higher. I give back profits. Oh my gosh. Not good, not good, not good. But, yeah. Wow, that looks interesting. Wow. Okay. I think this 5 minute is not gonna go higher than this. We are in a range here. I think this range is gonna kill a lot of traders today. I recommend you to stay away from this range, small range here. So from this small range, I recommend you to stay away. That's an interesting one, to be honest. Okay. That's an interesting place. Should we get a short or a buy here? So I'm looking at the gold right now and I'm thinking to take a short, but I may be wrong about this. I'm not sure. I think should I take a short here? I'm gonna do it. Probably I'm wrong, I don't know, let's see. Yes, probably I'm wrong. And the price is gonna move higher. Yes, it's gonna go higher, looks like. Okay. Yes, it's gonna go higher. I wanna see a drop on gold, but will it give it to me? I don't think it will, but let's hope it will. Okay. Okay, that's good, good, good. Okay, gold. So, looks like Nasdaq is going higher, same as gold. Looks like gold is gonna move higher. Nasdaq probably also higher, but you should be very careful. Yes, gold is also looks good. But I don't think we're moving higher on gold. I think we're dropping from here on gold. I wanna take a short one, but I'm gonna wait next 3 minutes. So what Nasdaq is doing here? Okay, looks like Nasdaq is gonna play both sides. You should be very careful because Nasdaq is not gonna give people who are gonna try to take buy shorts in this small range. They're gonna get squeezed on both sides, believe me. My recommendation: don't touch this range. Don't touch this range at all. This is the biggest mistake what you're gonna do for today if you're gonna trade in this range. Yes, you can ping pong it up here, but be very careful. Because one side on gold right now looks bullish, another side looks bearish. It may go higher actually from what I see, but mainly daily I see it bearish. I think everyone sees bearish, but I don't know, let's see. I may be wrong. I think the next 5 minute, this 5 minute will close around this level. The next probably will drop, will come back inside, and then we may see a drop lower. If not, then we may see some buys for the price to go above this level, and in that case it's gonna be a good buy. But now it's dangerous for me. Personally, for me it's dangerous. I don't know about you, but for me this is dangerous. I don't want to touch it, to be honest. Gold is gonna give me a buy probably now. I don't know. It may give me a buy here for, I don't know, 50 points probably. Yes, gold is gonna give me a buy probably for a 50 points move. Well, let's see. I hope it's not gonna go without me, because when I take a buy right now, it may go lower before it goes higher, and this is why I'm afraid to take a buy here, because I'm already red and I don't want to mess with it on the wrong side. But once the 5 minutes is gonna close, I probably may take a, actually not, I'm not so sure about this. So basically we have the 15 minutes. On gold, I would like to take a buy down here for about this on the points, guys. I want to enter now. I'm gonna do it now. Okay. Come on, let's go. So I enter buy here for, let's say, 140 points. Around 140 points. But this is a very risky trade, guys. 100 points, yeah. This is a very, 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 very risky trade because the price from here may go all the back down, and you should have your stop loss in place because it's a very dangerous place. I think first we're moving to the upside, but I may be wrong. In case I'm losing this trade, I'm not gonna take any more trades today. Probably I will lose it. Yes, looks like I will lose it. I don't know. Let's hope this is gonna be a buy here. Otherwise, I'm gonna be red today. Okay. I'm looking for 100 points trade. I'm quite heavy on this because I think it's a breakout trade combined with the liquidity grab. So I may be wrong, I don't know, let's see it. I'm gonna put my stop loss 28 points, I think. In case I'm losing, I'm losing. So yes, this probably is gonna be my best trade or my worst one because I'm quite heavy in this. And yeah, let's see it, let's watch it. I want to see a very quick spike in the next 5-10 minutes. So I want to see a big move to the upside, and then we probably look for short side trades, yeah? We should be very careful with these trades here. I hope I will see this trade go to the upside, otherwise I'm not in good shape. So I will just put a stop loss better, because when gold snaps, then it snaps very fast, and I don't want it to give more than, okay, so 250 points stop loss, so this is 25 points. 25 points, okay. Amazing. So this is type of move what I wanted to see. Okay, I closed already half. Yes, I already closed half. I want to see one leg to the upside. The next 5 minutes probably is going to be a big bullish candle for about 70 points. You should be very careful with your size, because it's gold. Yes, because it's gold, guys. Because it's gold. Yes, be very careful with your size and with your stop losses. Accept the loss when you should, and don't over leverage. Okay, don't over leverage, because this is dangerous. It's very dangerous. So leverage has both. It's a sword with both sides. Yeah, it's a sword what can cut both ways. Once the 5 minute closes, I may look to add one more buy up here, or two more buys, I don't know, let's see. I would like to see the 5 minute closure candle first, before I decide. I may put break even once the 5 minute candle closes, because I don't want to give more. Yeah, probably, I don't know. So, I don't know, let's see. As long as your position is right, you should be alright. So looks like the 5 minute wants to go lower. That's not a good one. So it wants to stop me out. Really? Should I get out? Probably I should close it, I don't know. Because the problem is, one time frame shows it's gonna go lower, but I expect it. So I closed everything. I closed my trades, guys. Everything. I made profit on it to move to the upside. But looks like the 5 minute, not only the 5 minute, but the other time frame is gonna go lower. So probably we may see a big bearish 15 minutes candle. I enter a short here, but we should be very careful because this 5 minute may go higher. But in case it goes lower, it's gonna give a 67, 68 points short. So let's watch it. Come on, don't go high from here. Of course you're gonna do it. So this is a type of trades what I should avoid. Yeah, I close in a loss. Yep, we are in a range. And as I said, as I said about this small range, don't touch it, don't touch it. As I said about this small range, don't touch it. Of course, now you're gonna go higher. Why not? Why not? Why not, yeah? Why not? Go one more leg to the upside. Okay, amazing. Amazing. So I took a buy on gold up here for it to break higher and to go for this level. I took a buy up here because I think this 5 minute is gonna go higher. It's gonna go for this level for 100 points at least. But we should be very careful because the next 5 minute is gonna be a tricky one. Okay. I don't think the next 5 minutes is gonna come lower. I think we're going higher. But let's see. If I like the 5 minute closure up here, I may look to add one more buy. The problem right now is the father. No, I'm not gonna touch. I'm not gonna add more gold buys. I'm not going to add more buys on gold. I recommend you stay away from Nasdaq, guys. Yeah, stay away from it. As I said, this small range is gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you and your account as well. Not only you, but your account in the first place. Okay, I would like to take a buy, but on gold. Let me check what we have here. Okay. Well, guys, I don't think Nasdaq is bullish, and even if it is, I'm not gonna buy from here. I will look for buys above this high. I don't wanna touch it. I recommend you to be very careful with what you have, because oh my god, this is gonna kill you. The Nasdaq, ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Now what gold is gonna do? It's gonna go higher, or I wanna take more buys on gold here. But I'm quite afraid of it. So should we go now or what? Yes, I added more buy on gold here. I added one more buy on gold here. Come on, let's go, brother. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Let's give it to me. Give it to me, gold. Give it to me. Give it to me, gold. Let's go, gold. Amazing, amazing. This is the type of move on the gold, and the next one is gonna snap higher, guys, on gold. Amazing move on gold. Yes, and the next one is gonna go all back up here. You should be very careful. because it may go very fast and you may not be ready to close even in a stop loss or even in profit, so be very careful. Be very careful. I want to add one more buy up here, to be honest, but very careful. Come on, don't stop me out. Break even. I'm already break even, but oh really? Don't come to my entry. So I will stop out, break even. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Gold, gold, please. What you promised to me. Yes, this 5 minute may go all back down, and this is a very dangerous 5 minute. You should have the stop loss in place. Come on, gold, move. Move, gold. I want to see a spike on gold here. Okay, that's good, gold. I don't want to see price come lower. Come on, what are you doing? Go higher, gold, don't snap lower. Come on, gold, why are you doing that to me? So I was stopped out on gold. I re-enter once stopped out, and I was stopped out small, but that's fine. That's fine. That's totally fine. Looks like no price action is ready. Oh my god, what Nasdaq is doing here. Wow. This was a good short, guys. For a ping pong trade, eh? This was a very good short on a ping pong trade. Yeah, this was a good trade, but yeah. I hope everyone is alright and is not trading this. Is not trading this, because this is killing so many accounts. Oh my god. You cannot believe it. The reason why this is happening is because the reason why it's happening is because of the, I noticed this usually, this happens normally when is very certain direction, yeah? So basically now everyone knows that Nasdaq is bearish, yeah? But first 30 minutes or first 1 hour from market open, this always, it does all the time, yeah? Because it stops everyone out, and after this takes a direction. I noticed this the last time when I had a big red day on it, and I say that if you are bearish because of the news from yesterday and everyone expects the price to go lower, it probably will, but after stops everyone out in a range, and then it's gonna take a direction and move lower. So yeah, you should be very careful. I will wait for trades to come to me. I don't want to force them. So yeah, I probably may go to take some, to eat something, then I probably may come and stay maybe a bit longer or just leave. Ugh. Okay, so next we have the 15-minute candle closure in about 1 minute. I would like to look for a buy on gold, to be honest, but it depends how the price action is going to close. Let's see it. If it's going to go now, let it go. Probably it will go and take that level without me, but it is what it is. I'm not going to touch it. Come on, gold. Are you gonna give it to me or not? I wanna take a buy, to be honest, on gold here. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Okay. Okay. I hope you're gonna give me that breakout, otherwise I am smoked. Wow, really? Go, brother. Don't go lower. Go higher. So looks like, come on, go higher, gold. Gold, go higher. Don't go lower. Go for that breakout, gold. He's not gonna give it to me, probably. High chance not. Come on, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Come on, gold. Amazing. Go, now go, gold, go. Okay. So, what Nasdaq is doing? So I took a buy up here on gold for this small move to the upside. I'm ready out. Nasdaq looks tricky. It looks like it may give a short and a buy, but I think it's going to go higher from here. Yes, I think it's going to go higher for a 40 points move. But you should be very careful, because this is a very dangerous place to be in. Wow. Okay, so looks like Nasdaq is gonna play lower first before it goes higher. So I entered a short and this pullback on a 5-minute candle, but I may be wrong, guys, because the 5-minute looks like it wants to go higher. Yes, it's gonna go higher. Okay, it's gonna go higher. Yep. So looks like the 5-minute is not gonna go higher, and let's see it, let's watch it. I think the next 5-minute is gonna be a drop. I may be wrong, I don't know. I hope it goes higher, but it may not. Okay, that's good. Go higher, but it may not actually. Go, brother. Okay. Come on, go higher. Yes, this 5-minute may go higher, but you should be very careful with it. Very careful. Wow, what a move. Why I didn't held it. Wow, what a breakout trade on gold. Gold gave a very good breakout trade, guys. An amazing breakout trade, to be honest. Yes, Yes, gold is crazy bullish. I expected a move to the downside, but looks like we may start going lower from now, but I don't think so. Looks like yes, looks like Nasdaq choose the direction to the downside probably. Okay, let's see it. Come on. Okay, that's good. Oh, the 5 minute looks tricky, to be honest. So the 5 minutes should go lower normally, but it may be that candle what can play, shows you short but goes higher. In case it switches, I'm gonna close and open a buy. Well, let's see it. Yes, looks like it's gonna play higher. Yes, that this 5 minute is gonna be a crazy 5 minute trade. It's going higher. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, brother. So I have a buy on Nasdaq here. I expect this 5 minute and the next one to go higher. Okay. Come on, Nasdaq, go. Go and don't play games here. Okay. I close half on Nasdaq. I'm gonna put everything to break even once the 5 minute is gonna close. But I think not this, but the next one is gonna go higher. So you should be very careful. Okay. 50 points. I'm looking for a 50 points trade here. Once the 5 minute closes, probably I may look to add one more buy on Nasdaq. Gold looks like it's going higher. Yes, I enter a buy up here, down here, not up here. I think the 5 minute one closes, I may add one more buy for the break of these highs on the left. And finally, probably we may decide to go for a bit higher, but I think in next 25 minutes, 20 minutes actually, is not gonna do a lot. So yeah. Okay. So let's go Nasdaq. Come on, go and don't play with me. I'm gonna put everything to break even. Probably I will be stopped out, but I go to have some food and I come back. Okay? See you later in 20 minutes.
spiritual power that makes us feel whole. So wipe off your eyelids, don't harbor dismay. The clouds of oppression are drifting away. I'm fighting the urge to completely break down, to pack up my bags and just sail out of town. But your steady cadence is keeping me sane, like a protective shield from the ultimate rain. The salt on my cheeks is beginning to dry. I'm looking directly at the beautiful sky. The trembling is stopping, my vision is clear. The perfect affection is casting out fear. No longer defeated by what went so wrong. Keep your tears steady, don't let them overflow. There's a powerful wisdom in the sorrows we know. Let the rhythm sustain you, let the blues wash away. We are holding our ground till the dawning of day. I am learning to balance the weight of my past. The storms of the wicked can never more last. Every drop that I cried made me stronger inside. In the house of the righteous, the blessings abide. Yeah. Yes, beautiful sister, don't bend, don't bow. No more rivers running down my face, just a healing vibration of grace. Keep your tears steady, don't let them overflow. There's a powerful wisdom in the sorrows we know. Let the rhythm sustain you, let the blues wash away. We are holding our ground till the dawning of day. My eyes are dry, I'm standing still. Tears steady, positive meditation. Yeah, hold the line, everything is fine. It tasted like honey, but stung like a wasp. I gave you my everything, damn the high cost. Another bad lover, another cliche, leaving me stranded with nothing to say. Pouring my vintage champagne down the drain, dancing with ghosts to forget all the pain.
Don't let them deceive you with silver and gold. The sweetest temptations leave your spirit cold. They promise the heavens, but give you the dirt. Laughing so loud while you swallow the hurt.
But look at the rhythm, it's keeping the pace, wiping the tears from your beautiful face. My tongue is poisoned by the lies that you sow.
Step out of the shadow, break out of the mold.
We move our feet to forget the regret. This bitter skank is the dance of the brave, riding the rhythm like a tidal wave. Turn your misfortune to a rocking groove, shake off the agony, watch your body move.
The hypocrites gather, they whisper and plot, hoping you'll vanish and leave what you got. But we are like trees planted deep by the spring. No matter the winter, we're still gonna sing. So skank out the anger, stop sugary coating on this.
Hello, hello. We are back. So looks like I was right about direction for the short term. Wow, that was a good trade for me. I don't expect a Nasdaq to go out from this range. Oh my god, gold looks so bullish. Wow, so bullish. And it gave us a good buy up there. My god. Yeah, but I'm gonna focus on Nasdaq because I think Nasdaq is not done yet. His potential just started. We left this range. We are still in range, but we are almost there. We are almost there to go out from this range. Probably higher. Yes, probably higher. So let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Okay. This is a short on Nasdaq here. It's a very good short actually. I would say amazing short for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Yes. Okay. Is a good short, but not now. Not yet. Now. Actually, this can be a buy, guys. From what I see, and can I read it? I want to take a buy here. Wow, really? So now you're gonna go lower. Yeah. So I took a buy and he's gonna go lower. Come on, go higher. Don't stop me out. Just go higher. So I took a buy here. Okay. Yes, I took a buy here with a 20-point stop loss. I'm targeting around 85 points. I may be wrong, guys. I may be wrong. Yeah. As always, I may be wrong. The reason for this buy is a higher time frame, but I may be wrong. Looks like I may be wrong. I don't know. Let's see it. I want to add into my buy, to be honest. I'm gonna do it now. I added more buy. I added one more buy. I may be wrong, I don't know. In case I'm wrong, I'm gonna close in a loss. In case not, it's gonna be a profit. If I'm right about direction, then it's gonna be a good buy. It's gonna be a very good buy, actually. I hope. I don't know, let's see. I hope it's not gonna go lower than this. Really? Really? Come on, go higher. So let's see. Let's see, brothers. Are we going higher or lower? Wow, really? Wow, what a good trade. What a good trade up here. I hope you're not gonna snap lower. Come on, you still have 1 minute. Go higher. Go higher. Okay. So he's now gonna play with me. Fish. Tom and Jerry. Yes, looks like I'm on the wrong side. Yes, looks like it's gonna go lower, probably. I wanted to go higher, but looks like I'm wrong, and it can go lower. Yes, it's gonna go lower. Come on, you. So I close in a loss. Yes, it is what it is. And yeah. Guys, we are coming to an end here. We are coming to an end. To an end, to an end, to an end. And should we take a short or wait for our short? Does it may go higher or lower? That's an interesting place on Nasdaq. We are right in the middle of this range, and from what I see, it can play both direction, but I think mainly, I don't know why, but I think it should go higher, but I'm not sure. I probably today, not probably, but I'm 80% sure that I'm gonna close in red. I don't see anything good. Even now, it may show you like a good buy on Nasdaq here, but I'm not so sure, to be honest. I want to take a buy, but I'm quite afraid, to be honest. Probably I should try a buy. Let's see it. I don't know. But I think it may go lower first before it moves higher. And yeah, I hope it's gonna be a buy here. Okay. Otherwise, it's gonna be a short. Okay. So this 5 minutes should not move lower at all. If goes lower, should close everything. And if goes higher is good, but looks like it's gonna go lower first. So let's see it. Yes, looks like it's gonna go lower first. The problem is right now the 15 minutes candle. This is the problem right now. I hope it's gonna go higher. Okay, so that's good now. That's good. That's good. I enter a small buy up here. I'm hoping to hold it for 74 points. But let's see, because this 5 minute may be a tricky one and may come all the back and close a bearish one and go lower. Yeah, it's hard to trade ranges, guys. Wow, what a move to buy upside. Woo! So this is what I was expecting, and this is what I was talking about. Look at this broker. He doesn't want to close my trade. So when I'm red, he's closing them, but when I'm green, he doesn't. Really? Yes. Ranges is the. So now basically the price is gonna go higher. From here we should look for buys only. My trades are already closed in profit. So this is what I expected, guys. As I said, first 1 hour from market open is gonna be a range, and that's it. Yeah, from here we should look for buys only. Now we choose a direction, and we also have a confirmation because the 4 hour is kinda very good looks for me. I hope on the 8 hour. So basically we are looking for 700 level right now. Let's see it. We may see some price come back inside. This is gonna give opportunity for me to take buys. From ranges, as I said earlier, you should stay away from it. This kills not only you, but it killed a lot of traders today, I think. I think a lot of traders lost money in this range. I think we should be very careful because we still may not be done in this range, but I think we kinda small steps moving away from this. I want to take one more buy here, to be honest. I want to add more buy here. But I'm gonna wait next 5 minutes because what I see is the dangerous is this 15 minutes candle. Yeah, this is a danger. This one is a danger because what I see, the closure of the next 5 minutes. This 5 minute may close inside, and the next one to drop, and we may see a bearish closure or even a switch bearish on the 15 minutes. From higher time frames, I don't expect it, but if it's gonna give me a bigger pullback, I may take one more short up here. You should be very careful trading because it's your money and you should not revenge. I think it's gonna go higher from here, but with not so very powerful, let's say, move. It's gonna be a very tricky move to the upside. It's gonna be more range up here than you think. And even it may go lower, and only in the last 2 hours from New York Open may go all the back to upside. So yeah, you should be very careful. I hope the next 5 minutes is gonna go higher because I wanna take one more buy up here, and I want to re-enter right now. But is a danger that the next 5 minutes may go lower. Okay, so let's see. I re-enter buy, but in case it goes lower, I'm out. Come on, don't go lower. Yes, and I was right about that. Yep, so I close it with a loss, of course. Now the 5 minute is gonna go all the back down for this low. And yes. And this is gonna be a bearish 15-minute candle. As I said, this is a danger. And now everyone is gonna be stopped out from their buys. People maybe they hold still their buys, and probably they put the stop loss below this range, and the price action may go all the back down. You should be very careful with the size, and you should know where you put your stop loss. Okay, this 5 minute may be a big bearish 5 minute candle all the way back down to these lows, or it can close up here and we may see a switch in the 15-minute candle. So if I see the 5 minute close around this level, I may take one more try to take a buy to the upside, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna close around this level, and the next one is gonna drop lower, probably for this lows on the left. So I probably should have waited not to give back profits, but looks like I have to learn hard way, not the easy way. So yes, yes, I think the 5 minute is still continue lower. Yes, it's gonna continue lower the 5 minutes. We may see some reaction here because you have traders who trade like trend moves, and yes, you may see some pullback to the upside, but the next minute is gonna slam all the back down. Yes, this one, the next minute is gonna be a big red one. So I'm gonna take a short here. Okay. Okay, so looks like the range guys won. Really? Are you gonna win? Go back down and don't play with me. Okay. So now it's gonna break the range. It's gonna break the low on the left. Yeah. So yeah. Come on, go lower. Don't play with me. This should be a big red candle. Of course you're gonna be. So yes, guys, I'm already break even. Already took halves. This is a place to add because the next 1 minute is gonna slam lower. It's gonna go lower the next 1 minute. Yes. So now you have trade rangers adding, but seller gonna push the price lower. Yeah, of course, yeah, of course. Traders see this 1 minute probably, I don't know, and they pray that the next is gonna go higher, but the next 1 minute is gonna be probably closing around this level or even lower. Yes. So, yeah. Usually, let's say you call trend traders, they trade in this way. They wait for the field confirmation, for the field touch of the trend, and they take a buy or the second, I don't know. But usually this is the most dangerous place. Yes. Do. So I'm still in a trade, guys. I'm still in trade. I'm looking for about 50 points around this trade. I may be wrong, I don't know, I may be stopped out. But I think, yes. I may be stopped out because the 5 minute doesn't look good. And I may be stopped out. So probably I should close it right now, I don't know. No, I think the 5 minute is gonna go lower. Yes, it's gonna go lower, a lot lower. Amazing. Yes. And now we have like probably this is the main direction. So yes. So now the let's say the trend line traders put their stop losses below this. Now we should see a bigger move to the downside. Yes. Yep. So I'm looking to target this loss on the left, probably lower, because if I'm right, then we are moving hella away from this. Amazing trade, guys. I entered a short when this week on this 1 minute happened. I entered a short, and yeah. So basically now we have bias changed. Believe me, this is a bias changed because this was the bias from beginning, like the sell side. The problem is like this 4-hour candle. This is the biggest problem, and we may stay in a range for another 2-3 hours. But it may give now a good short down here for another 50 points. And yeah, probably when this 5 minute candle is gonna close, we may see one more short. But you should be very careful, very careful. Okay, so gold looks interesting. Wow, gold is moving to the upside. What a move on gold. Gold is a king today. Oh my god, what a move on gold. Ooh. Crazy move on gold. Oh. Wow, so easy to take buys on gold today, but when you see on the buys, you kind of scary. You're afraid the price may retrace back. Yes, and now you should be very careful because the next 15 minutes is gonna give a short us for another 50 points. 46, I would say, probably 50, 70. But you should be very careful. Okay, looks like the... Wow, really? So you're gonna go so high now? About the 5 minute. I wanna take a short now, to be honest, on Nasdaq here. But it may go higher and it may not give me a short. Yep. Yes, it was a good place to... So now what happens now? Now it's gonna trick them, everyone else, because this is a trend line, and now traders think that the trend line, like, it was right but a bit lower. Now they're gonna get buys, but the price is gonna continue lower. And to give me a chance for a short here. Amazing. Go lower. Amazing. Yes, and now people probably will be adding in their buys. Probably they're right, I don't know, but I think it's a short here. I may be wrong as well, and the trend line traders win, but I am a short here. And I was right about my short. Yeah, I was right about my short. I enter short up here, so I'm okay. This 5 minute may switch bullish, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So yeah, my stop loss is up here. I may be stopped out, but I think we go one more time to the downside. Okay. I would like to add one more, so I'm gonna do it right now. I added one more short here. In case it switches bullish, it switches, and it is what it is. I don't think it will, but let's see. I may be stopped out. And I may give some profits. I still think it's bearish, but I may be wrong, guys, so yeah. So now trade liners are praying that now they probably take shorts. Trade line, this is a confirmation for break the higher lows, or not the higher lows but the trend line, and now they're taking their shorts. But once the price is going to reach this level, then it's going to show the price action is going to reverse, and we are going to have our liquidity and fuel to go to the upside. I recovered 50% of my loss today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to recover the rest of it, because I should be honest with myself and to accept the loss and move on, because otherwise I'm not gonna make money in trading. We are not ready yet. This is another drop here. Probably this is gonna be the biggest 1 minute drop from all these small moves. I think this should be a big drop to the downside, otherwise we're moving to the upside. And now, yes, now we have buyers here probably who trying to buy this, thinking this is gonna go higher, but they're gonna get to find out soon that they are wrong. Yes, and we're moving lower. As I said, lower, lower, lower. We are not done yet to the downside. I think we're still going lower. If I'm right, then we may move lower, but the biggest problem is the higher time frames. This 4-hour candle is a tricky one and may not give us a chance to go lower. So we need the 4-hour traders to give us a chance for the price to go lower. Without them, no. Probably if we may see a 15 minutes candle closure below these lows, then maybe the next one go lower, but I don't think it's going to happen this. It may happen in the last 2 hours from New York Open. Yep. But by that time, we have our short. We should hold it for 72 points. In case it stops out. But I think this 5 minute is going to close and the next one is going to get drop. Let's see it. So once the 5-minute candle closes, is a bit a tricky candle closure because the next one may come for the high and then drop. This is the problem with this type of inside candle closure, but it's not a bad short for a move to, I don't know, 30 points, let's say 45, 7 points. It depends how the candle closes. If closes up here, then you should not touch it. But I think it's gonna go lower. Okay, looks like it may go higher. But I'm not so sure. Yeah, no, it's gonna go lower. It's gonna go lower. So in the last 30 seconds, probably the candle is gonna switch bearish on 1 minute and the 5 minute as well. It's gonna be around this closure. Closure on 5 minute around this level. In case it goes higher, then you should not touch the buys. Yes, looks like it's gonna go higher. Nah, it's not gonna go higher. Nah. And now you kinda have a confirmation. Yes, looks like he agrees with me, and it's gonna go lower. Yep. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Nah, you're not gonna go higher. You're gonna go lower. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. This is the 5 minute candle what I expected. It's gonna be quite a big 5 minute candle, but it's gonna be it's gonna close inside the range. Probably may break outside the range, but I'm not so sure. So yes. So this is gonna be a 50 points trade. Yes, it's gonna be a 50 points trade. Amazing trade, to be honest. Up here also it gave us trades, but I don't like to trade ranges so much because I hate them, to be honest. I think as everyone else, because it's easier to trade in trend, or at least in once the direction was choose, then yes, you can go. Yes, exactly. So why do you think the price started to move right now into choosing the to go outside this small range? Why right now? Have you ever thought about this? And how did I know that approximately during this time is gonna break it outside or one choose the direction? And even now is not the to choose a direction because we are not ready yet. Not yet. I think we are still have things to do before to take a direction. I think we are gonna stay in this bigger range for about next 2-3 hours. Probably gold is not gonna give a short, a good short down here. Probably, yes, actually it's gonna give a very good short down here, an amazing short, I would say. I would wait for the 5 minute to candle close and then I'm gonna get a short. Looks like Nasdaq finally moved. I want to take a short, to be honest, on gold here, but I'm quite afraid. That kinda moved already, but I know, yes, kinda moved already. Yes. Yes, gold kind of move already, but I think we should look for shorts now after this move. So I would wait for the 5 minute candle to close and then I'm gonna decide what to do, but I think it's gonna be a short up here. I think the closure is gonna happen around this level. If it's not gonna go lower, if it goes lower, I'm not gonna touch it. but if gonna give me a short down here, I'm gonna take it for, I don't know, 100 points. About 100 points, yeah. I'm gonna take a short for 100 points up here. Come on, give it to me. Don't go it without me. Really? Yeah, it's gonna go without me. Yes. This is a great short, to be honest. But it's gonna go without me, and now I feel FOMO and I wanna get back in, so I'm gonna take now. So I took now short. Oh, really? So now you're gonna fake it to the upside. Okay. Kentucky, 30 seconds. So this is my biggest mistake today. I entered. Yes, I entered and I got in like 40 points drawdown. Believe me. This is still bearish. Believe me, still bearish, and it's gonna go lower. But with white price. So basically it came right to the my entry and it's gonna go lower now. Come on, go lower. Drop lower and don't play with my mind. Yes, I think we are dropping lower here, but I may be wrong, I don't know. Yes, probably I'm wrong. Let's see it. Probably, I don't know. I don't think I'm wrong, but in case I am, I am. Yes, probably I'm wrong. Do you really play with me? Yes, guys, looks like I'm wrong. Wow. So basically I got fucked up in this trade, guys, on gold. Wow, what a loss I took. I just took a big loss on gold here. Wow, I reached my max daily loss, which was quite big. Oh my god. And now this price is gonna go lower. Yeah, I'm not gonna yes, looks like I was right about Nasdaq, and gold like stopped me out. Not stopped me out, but actually the up blocked me. Yes, I reached my max daily loss, and the reason why is because I entered too fast in this short, and too heavy, I would say. Yeah. Yep, and that was my mistake. Okay. Looks like we are still very bullish on gold, but I don't know what to say. Yeah. I don't think we are bullish. I think we are moving to the downside for the next, I don't know. Yes, I think it is. It may actually go higher. I don't know. Anyway, I reached my max daily loss today. I'm not gonna touch anything else, and that's it for today. See you tomorrow. So have a great day ahead, and yeah, take care. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much.